Okay, today we are going to discuss in 1b. We are doing the derivatives, sir. So many models we are doing. So we have seen how to find the substitution method. Now today we are going to see parametric equation, sir. What is by parametric equation? Okay, very important. Okay, a is equal to x is equal to a cos cube t, y is equal to a sin cube t. Find dy by dx. Now what will be parametric? X is with t, y is also with t. That's what we say parametric. Now first dx by dt is equal to a into 3 cos square t, because x cube derivative, what I am doing here? X cube derivative is what, sir? 3x square. So that's what I wrote, 3x square. But instead of x, what is there? Cos is there. So into d by dt of cos t. Here t is there, that's why I am writing here t. So this becomes what, sir? dx by dt is equal to 3a cos square t, cos t derivative minus sin t. Right? Similarly, dy by dt is equal to a into 3 sin square t into d by dt of sin t. Same methods are here. So dy by dt is equal to 3a sin square t, derivative of sin is what, sir? Cos t. Therefore, we require dy by dx. So dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt, I am putting a box here. So what will happen? First you have to write this, sir. 3a sin square t into cos t divided by 3a cos square t minus sin t. So 3a will get cancelled, 1 cos will get cancelled, 1 sin will get cancelled, minus sin t by cos t. What happened? 3a will get cancelled, 1 sin will get cancelled, 1 cos will get cancelled. Numerator is sin, denominator is cos. So dy by dx is sin by cos minus tan t. So what we say? Parametric. First derivative, second derivative. Divide, second derivative divided by first derivative. Understood? So you have to know the basic concepts of derivatives also. Next problem. Y is equal to e power t plus sin t. X is equal to log t plus sin t. Whatever form you use, you have to use this. So dy by dt, e power x derivative, e power x only. Here e power t is there, e power t. Sin t derivative, cos t. Here dx by dt, log t is 1 by t, sin t derivative cos t. Right? So what is that we got? X is y is given. So what is dy by dx? Is a simple, sir. 2 marks question. So dy by dt divided by dx by dt. This is x, sir. So first you have to divide this by this. Okay. So e power t plus sin t, cos t by 1 by t plus cos t dy by dx. So there is nothing in this problem, simply you have to divide, but first he has given y, next x. First y ichar or x ichar, whatever forms he gives. For example, x is equal to a tan theta, y is equal to b secant theta. Now what he has given? X is equal to a tan theta, y is equal to b tan theta. Again dx by d theta. What is that you have to consider? Dx by d theta means a into tan theta derivative secant square theta. Next dy by d theta, b into secant theta derivative secant theta tan theta. So whatever is there, theta is there. ఇక్కడ t ఉంది కాబట్టి we are writing dy by dt, sir. here dx by dt, but here theta is there, so theta we have to write. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta b into secant theta tan theta by a into secant square theta. Only one secant theta will get cancelled, b tan theta by a secant theta. So dy by dx is equal to b into sin theta by cos theta divided by a by cos theta, because secant theta is 1 by. So cos theta will get cancelled, b by a sin theta. So what I have done? Just rearrange this. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta rasam, secant theta is 1 by cos theta will get cancelled, b by a sin theta. So here y is given, x is given, here x is given, y. In terms of t, in terms of theta, whatever form you use, that you are right, dx by d theta or dy by dt. Okay, please note down this. Next, x is equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t. Y is equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. Now look at here, dx by dt, 3 into cos t derivative minus sin t, 2 into cos cube derivative 3 cos square t into, I am writing directly now, derivative of cos is what, sir? Minus sin t. One step I am avoiding now. See, 3 into cos square t, because x cube derivative 3x square, so we wrote again derivative dy by dt of cos t. I am writing here to make you understand, d by dt of cos t. What is the derivative of this? Minus sin t. Okay, so dx by dt is equal to minus 3 sin t minus 6, minus of minus become plus cos t. So dx by dt is equal to minus 3 sin t common 1 minus 2 cos square t. So what is the common I have taken? Minus 3 sin t. Now further simplification, he is giving for 4 marks, sir. One can be written sin square t plus cos square t minus 2 cos square t. So one can be written this. So what will happen? dx by dt is equal to minus 3 sin t into cos square t minus 2 cos square t, 1 cos square t will come. So what is that we got? dx by dt is minus 3, so 1 I wrote, sir. 1 can be written sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square t plus cos square t, 1 cos square t we have subtracted. Okay, so we have found out only dx by dt. Now we have to find out dy by dt. Please note down this. Next, now we have to find out dy by dt. Observe here, 3 into sin t derivative cos t minus 2 into sin square. So 3 sin square t into sin t derivative cos t. Derivative of this, only sin. So I am writing here dy by dt of sin t. This value is cos t. Now dy by dt is equal to 3 cos t minus 6 sin square t cos t. Common 3 cos t common, 1 minus 2 sin square t. Right? Again dy by dt 3 cos t, in the sin 1 can be written sin square t plus cos square t minus 2 sin square t. dy by dt is equal to 3 cos t, sin square minus this one become minus. So this is dy by dt. So same thing we have done here. Okay. So I got dy by dt, already I got dx by dt. I am now writing here dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. This I kept as this, sir, to make you understand. So dy by dt I got this 3 cos t into cos square t minus sin square t. Denominator minus 3 sin t sin square t minus cos square t. Observe here, these two are same, only difference here cos square t minus sin square t, here sin square t minus cos square t. Bring minus sign inside. So what will happen? In the denominator I am bringing minus sign. So this minus will make this as plus and this will make minus. Clear? So minus sign I have brought. So I can cancel 3, I can cancel this bracket. So cos by sin cot t. So this is the last step. So what I have done, dy by dt I wrote dx by dt, but this minus sign I am bringing inside, so it becomes cos square minus sin square. That will get cancelled. Cos by sin is cot t. Clear? Please note down this. This problem 4 marks question, sir. Next problem. Look at the next problem. This is also very, very important. Okay. X is equal to a into cos t plus log of tan t by 2. And y is equal to a sin t. Find dy by dx. Okay. Now observe here. Most important, first part only, dx by dt. A into cos t derivative minus sin t. Now observe here, log derivative 1 by tan t by 2 into d by dx of tan t by 2. You know chain rule. So logarithm derivative we wrote. Now a into minus sin t 1 by tan t by 2. Derivative of tan is what, sir? Secant square t by 2 into dy here t by t by 2. So what I have done? First I have found a logarithm derivative, then tan derivative, then t by 2 derivative. So dx by dt a into minus sin t 1 by sin t by 2 by cos t by 2 into secant square is 1 by cos square t by 2 into t by 2 derivative 1 by 2, because t derivative 1. So this is very, very important. Now what will happen? Dx by dt a into minus sin t. Observe here what I am doing. This cos t by 2 will go to numerator by sin t by 2 into 1 by cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2. Right? Now everything in the denominator. So dx by dt is equal to a into minus sin t. 1 cos will get cancelled. Denominator 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. What happened? 1 cos will get cancelled. So 2 sin t by 2. 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 is sin a formula. So dx by dt a into minus sin t 1 by sin t. Again I am explaining here. First logarithm derivative 1 by tan t by 2 into derivative of tan t by 2 is secant square t by 2, again t by 2 derivative 1 by 2. Up to derivative part is over, sir. So tan is nothing but sin by cos, secant is nothing but 1 by cos square. So 1 by cos square 1 by 2. Then cos will go to numerator, 1 cos will get cancelled. You get sin a by 2 formula. Sin 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 is sin a. This is the formula which I have applied. Now LCM dx by dt a into LCM is what, sir? Sin t minus sin square t plus 1. Sin t into sin t. What is 1 minus sin square? Cos square. So dx by dt is equal to a into cos square t by sin t. This is what dx by dt we got. What is that dx by dt? A into cos square t by sin t. Okay, please look at this. This is also very well like previous problem. There will be 3 problems of this nature, sir. Is giving for 4 marks. Okay, please note down this. Now problem is not over, sir. We have to see. Next, what is important here? We have found out only dx by dt. Now what about dy by dt? Now dy by dt is equal to a into cos t. This is very simple, sir. Only one step. Clear? అందుకనే 4 మార్క్స్ లో ఇస్తారు సార్ ఇది. సో dx by dt so much will come. Now dy by dx is equal to divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt is what? A cos square t by sin t divided by, that is divided by a cos t. Okay, so what I have done? Dy by dt is a cos square t by sin t divided by a cos t. So this becomes a cos square t by a cos t sin t. A will get cancelled, 1 cos will get cancelled. So cos t by sin t. What is that? We get cos by sin, cot t. Sorry, here one mistake. First we have to write dy by dt, sir. What is dy by dt? A cos t by dx by dt. A cos square t by sin t. Is it clear? First I have to write a cos t, sir. A cos t by a cos square t. So sin t will go to numerator. A cos t into sin t by a cos square t. So a will get cancelled, 1 cos will get cancelled. Sin t by cos t. You have to be careful here, sir. Tan t. So first you have to write dy by dt. This first you have to write this one. Next this one. Always. So dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So what is the answer? Tan t. Is it clear? This problem, previous problem. There are 2 more problems also there, sir, in this. Okay. This parametric is also very, very important. Okay, we have done 1 and there are 4 more problems. 1, 2, 3. 3 more problems and 5 problems. The total 5 problems are very, very important, sir. Other problems which I gave, sometimes he is giving for 2 marks, sir, but he can give you for 4 marks. Okay, please note down this. Go through this. We will continue in the next video.